Are you thinking about losing weight currently? Curious if low-carb diet and intermittent fasting is effective? Well, please keep watching because I'll be sharing how I lost some weight in the span of a few months. So if you want to know how I went from 58 kilograms to 50 kilograms wherein I lost around 8 kilos, don't worry because I'll be sharing my complete routine through these 6 tips. Make sure to keep on watching till the end and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's Tori here, and in today's video, I'll be sharing to you guys how I lost some weight in 8 weeks or around 2 to 3 months. Here's a photo of me before and after. And before, I was around 56 to 58 kilograms. Doon naglalaro yung weight ko. And now, I'm only around 50 to 51 kilograms now. Before we start, just a little disclaimer, I'm no health or diet expert, and these tips that I'll be giving are just based on my experience, my body type, and the way how I responded. If possible, make sure to consult your own dietitian so that you could continue to be healthy even though you're on a diet. Yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. I'll be pretty straightforward. I actually did the intermittent fasting, or IF for short. I think IF has different varieties and you can search about the others on Google, but what I did was the 16-8 method, which basically means I only eat 8 hours a day and the rest 16 hours out of 24 hours is for fasting. You just need to set a time of 8 hours on when you're allowed to eat. For example, in my case, I did around 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. That's the only time that I eat. Sometimes I do 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. and it really depends on you. As I said, there are different kinds of intermittent fasting or IF. One of those is the 16-8 method that I do, but others do more extreme fasting such as 6-18, 4-20, and others. You can search about the others, but for me, the most workable is 16-8. And if you guys saw my TikTok, it was a bit viral. One commented there and asked if I didn't get hungry at night. I replied to the TikTok comment. I just said that, yeah, I do get hungry at night sometimes, but the good thing in intermittent fasting, whenever you get hungry throughout the day, you can drink tea, water, and plain coffee anytime. So yeah, basically throughout the day, I drink a lot of water every time, most every hour or every other hour. It's also helpful to boost your metabolism. Moving on, in my routine, my tip number 2 would be low-carb diet. It's pretty much self-explanatory. I just avoided eating excess carbs, calories, cholesterol, and stuff like that. When it comes to every meal or in my breakfast, lunch, and dinner, I make sure that I only eat 1 cup or 1/2 cup of rice. Kasi dati, to be honest, minsan kuha lang ako ng kanin, sandok na ako ng sandok. I didn't monitor. Ang dami ko na palang nakakain na kanin. Kahit busog na ako, kain pa rin ako ng kain. So, hindi naman kasi natin kailangan masyado kumain ng kumain. Lalo na pag busog na tayo, maintain a low-carb diet. I think a pro tip would be drink water before every meal kasi yun yung tutulong sa'yo to help you get full, have a full stomach before you eat your carbohydrates. And when going out, I also avoided eating too much junk food and fast food. Pwede namang sa karinderya and ang i-order natin, mga vegetables, ganun. Yeah, depende pa rin sa'yo, but of course, if you still want to eat at restaurants or fast food, just limited and monitor how much calories or carbohydrates you intake. My third tip would be workout and exercise. Ako kasi, I personally don't maintain exercise na yung may mga nakahiga. Planking, push-ups ba yun? Pero hindi ko talaga siya na-maintain. It's hard for me to be consistent with those kind of workouts because medyo meron akong history ng asthma or lung hika, kumbaga. Mabilis akong hingalin, so I really can't maintain those. But it depends on you if you can maintain and be consistent with any workout. You just need to find the one that works for you. So what I did, I discovered standing abs workout wherein nakatayo ka lang habang nag-exercise all throughout the workout. the warm-up, the workout, and the cool-down. So the standing abs workout that I do was from Chloe Ting, and it just consists of 10 minutes or 10 to 20 minutes a day. Of course, don't forget to warm up and cool down before you do the workout itself. I followed the warm-ups of MadFit, and I'll put the links in the description box down below so you can check it out. Standing abs workouts was a bit easier for me, and I also chose standing abs workouts kasi abs talaga yung gusto kong i-form or i-develop. And by the way, I only do these workouts either 3 times a week or every other day, because if I do it every day, I think it might be too tiring for me as of now since I'm still a newbie and a beginner. Yeah, don't forget to check out the links of the YouTube videos down below. My next tip would be eat less sugary food. Kasi we don't often notice how much sugar we intake each day, such as if we drink milk tea a lot, if we drink a lot of coffee, iced coffee, frappes, frappuccinos, Starbucks. Of course, it's not bad to have sugary food or drinks, but of course we should monitor it and make sure to drink a lot of water after. Tip number 5, try to drink only 1 cup of coffee instead of 2 each day. Ako before, I drank really 2 cups of coffee a day, 1 in the morning and 1 in the afternoon, kasi I feel like hindi pa ako nagigising sa isang cup of coffee lang. I need another cup of coffee before to be energized and to feel awake. But I stopped that and realized that 2 cups of coffee can contribute a lot to your sugar in your body. Even though it's hard, some coffee holics or coffee enthusiasts like me, let's try to keep it 1 cup of coffee daily only, because I noticed that I kept gaining weight due to the sugar in the coffee. And I think it could also help if you drink more pure coffee that has less cream or less sugar, but that depends on you. That's another tip. But yeah, I personally still drink coffee that has sugar and cream, or even if it has a chocolate flavor. As long as you just drink 1 cup of coffee a day, that's good. And my last tip, or tip number 6, as I keep saying again and again in this video, is to drink plenty of water any time of the day. Even if you're on intermittent fasting, you could drink water anytime of, even at night, early in the morning. Drink water if you get hungry anytime. Water keeps our stomach full, and it also boosts our metabolism. I guess it also helps us digest what we intake. So guys, I guess that's it for this video. Again, make sure to consult your dietitian if you have one, or if possible, observe your body if you can handle these kind of diets and fasting, and if not, take it a bit lower. And yeah, just know your body well and don't push yourself to lose weight that fast, because we should also avoid being unhealthy in a diet and having a crash diet. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel below if you like this video. Leave a question or comment regarding weight loss, and of course, leave a like on this video. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram at Tori the Vampire. Thanks so much again for watching, guys. I hope you all get our body goals. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!